Hope you all are doing well. So I am here with another video on active and passive voice. Okay, we are going to continue with the past continuous tense. Okay, so children, when the active voice is given in past continuous tense, okay, that is like, for example, Rama was reading a book. It is in past continuous tense. Yeah, you can say they were reading books. Okay, so how we have to write this into the passive voice? Again and again I am telling that in the active and passive voice we don't change the tense. Okay, if it is in simple present tense, we don't change it into simple past. Okay, so the tense will remain unchanged. Don't change the tense. Okay, so when the given sentence in active voice is in past continuous tense, like Rama was reading a book. Okay, Rama was reading a book. So here Rama is the subject. In this, Rama is the subject, was is the auxiliary, which is in past form. Reading, read is the first form of the verb ing. When we add, it becomes continuous. A book, it is the object here. So children, how to change it into passive voice? Now when we write it in the passive voice, how we will write? A book, the object will take the place of the subject, and as a book, it is a singular noun here. It is the subject, the object is singular, so we are going to use the singular verb only, auxiliary only. A book was being. Okay, for this continuous, in order to show that it is in continuous or it was in continuous, we have to use being. Okay, read. I always, every time I am telling you that in the passive voice we use the third form of the verb. See, read is the first form, read. The spelling of read is, when we say it in the second and the third form, it is read, but the spelling doesn't change. Okay, so if we are pronouncing it as read, it doesn't mean the spelling is R-E-D. No, it will be written as R-E-A-D only. Okay, so many children they make mistake here only. A book was being read by Rama. Okay, so here by the subject, and the subject was Rama. So in likewise, if it would have been the plural subject, they were reading books. Yeah, a book. For example, they were reading books. I am taking here the subject also plural and the object also plural. Okay, so now see, books, because it is more than one books, so we are going to use the plural form, but as it is in the past form, we have to use the auxiliary in the past form only. So it will be books were being read by. They will change into them. In my earlier video, I have told that the pronoun, when we are using the subject as pronoun, then how we have to change them. Okay, so you can refer to my earlier videos for the same. So books were being read by them. Okay, so the general formula in order to write the active voice, which is in past continuous tense, into passive voice, what will be the general formula? First we have to write the object plus was or were. Okay, we have to add being here, plus verbs third form, plus by, and then we have to write the subject. So this is the general formula for the sentences that are given in the past continuous tense in active voice, in order to change it into passive voice. Okay, so children, hope you understood the explanation well. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button.